Are you looking for an effortless way to monitor your child's iPhone? Family Orbit for iCloud is the perfect solution for keeping an eye on your child's iPhone activities without installing any apps or jailbreaking the device. With Family Orbit for iCloud, you can monitor a variety of activities, including real-time and historical location tracking, iMessages, calendar events, reminders, files and notes, contacts, photos and videos. Setup is fast and seamless. Sign up for Family Orbit and log in. Enter your child's Apple ID credentials securely. Provide the 2FA code sent to their iPhone. Once verified, Family Orbit syncs the data and monitoring begins immediately. It also works across all devices linked to the same Apple ID, including iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches. Ready to start? Sign up today to experience the easiest and most secure way to monitor your child's iPhone with Family Orbit for iCloud. Your family's safety is just a few clicks away.